Today was the first day of the Fuerteventura PWA slalom. The weather forecast was good for some wind, but not as strong as what we got. The sea breeze kicked on, super strong. So everybody was sailing with the small gear. I was even me with my 5.6 and my small board. So it was really windy. So that's what I like. I like to sail in this kind of condition. And I managed to finish second at the first final. Then the last slalom I win in front of Cyril Moussoumani. Now when we come here in Fuerte, it's the only event where we get so strong wind. So it's the only place where we use these small sails. So yeah, maybe the difference is a little bit bigger between the riders, especially on the first day. When the day will come and it's going to be windy for 2-3 days, the people will manage to train and be more confident. So that's why it's good to have a first day like this.